How quick can you get a price on a custom polytunnel?
Hi, I'm after a polytunnel about 3 metres wide and 6 metres long. I'd need full ventilation and sliding doors on both ends. I'm growing veg, so I'll go with a clear cover. I'll also need bracing and a couple of crop bars for extra support and hanging things. It's going on soil at my allotment. Any idea what sort of price I'm looking at?
Okay, well, the EasyBuild comes in 2.5 to 4.5 metre widths. So let's fire up the EasyBuild configurator.
Alright, start the clock. 3 metres wide, 6 metres long, going straight into soil, 2 ridge bars are standard, crop bars, clear polythene, vent both sides, sliding doors, and done. That's it, about 25 seconds. EasyBuild, Britain's toughest polytunnel. Configure yours in seconds.